Today we would like to a little bit explain about footwork. So for the feet, for the beautiful legs and feet, in an easy way to understand how to make your legs and feet beautiful right away, first we have to identify our free leg. So what does it mean free leg? So if we put our body weight on the right leg, the other leg, which doesn't have that much weight, it has maybe 5% of weight, maybe 10% of weight, but it's definitely less than the other leg. It's called free leg. So in this case, our left leg is free, our right leg is standing leg. Okay, so now let's say change weight to other leg. So we have our standing leg is left, now the free leg is right. So to have a beautiful feet, we have to identify where is our free leg. And now the secret is, anytime you do something, you have to make sure finish your free leg, finish, to make it very beautiful. For example, when we dance, we have a forward walks, side walks, backward walks. Not too many options. So let's say if we step side, if we finish, meaning point and show the heel of our free leg, the position and the whole body, the whole figure looks already very, very beautiful. Now let's say if we transfer it to other leg, we have to finish your free leg. Now if we step forward, now in this case, my free leg is my back leg. So to finishing it, turning and getting from heel to ball to the toe, let's say as a final position to get here, that'll be a very good idea for us. Okay, so let's try again. So it's very good to try it on the basic rumble walk, because if we have a side, we can identify our free leg. Okay, it's this one. Make it pretty thin. Forward, finish your back foot. Now replace back. Now finish your front leg. So don't leave this leg here. Now we step side, finish your free leg, and back. So you finish our free leg, which is in front right now, forward, finish your back leg. Now, in order to have a beautiful dancing and look good, we always have to pay attention to our free leg. Is our foot finished or not? And it's not only about the final position, but also when the foot is traveling. So for example, here we have beautiful position, but now as our foot travels, we want to really be aware of the finishing of that foot, free leg, which is actually on the go travels. Got it? So if you pay attention of the whole that way that your foot travels, you will have a very beautiful look. Now for example, we pay attention to our free leg, it's finished in front, now we want to step side. So we're going to trace all the way here. So our foot in a beautiful finish inside edge toe position, and then we pay attention to other leg. So okay, so when you dance your choreography, let's say if you dance rumba, if you focus on your free leg being finished, it's already improved you like tremendously, like in very fast way. So for example, we start, already pay attention to your right foot, go back, 2, pay attention to your free leg, which is in front, 3, which is your free leg, pay attention there, very good, 4-1, so pay attention to your free leg, how much you finish, that beautiful picture. And now, for example, in this hip twist position, now our free leg is that one which doing triangle, could be here. So it has to be more it's finished, more beautiful, more it's relaxed, not good for us. So now in this case, your free leg, in a way, slightly in front of you. So now step, now finish your free leg, step, finish your free leg, pivot, now go back, and finish your free leg. So this leg right now, this foot, the shape of that foot is very important. And stop, for example, when you're closing here. So when you go to defend, this leg is important, but when you close, the free leg shape is extremely important. Switch. So now which is your free leg? Is this one, so it has to be very finished. Now you go walk forward, finish your free leg, walk forward, finish on your free leg. Now here you have a hip twist, is going to be the same leg, but here slightly finished in front of you. Now step. See, mostly when you step forward, you won't be really aware of the back foot. When you step forward, your mind is only see this leg, which is stepping. But for us, this leg become extremely important. So finishing your free leg is the key process. So let's go through your routine and slowly finish our free leg to improve footwork. Yeah, so always find your free leg. Very good. So check mark for this position. I'll step back, 2. Finishing your free leg. And replay, go for 3, finishing your free leg. Step forward, finishing your free leg. And just having that in mind, awareness of that leg already will place your balance in more correct position as well. Here, free leg, right? If you want to go 90-degree, and now again, you have to really practice how much you can on toe. Yeah, can you put that position? Go forward, walk, finishing. So when you step, which leg you really being the most aware of? So try to think about the free leg. Now step and be thinking more about this leg. Yes, pivot, go back, walk. Which leg, when you step back, which leg you're more aware of? Yeah, and so your mind, all your energy, and even slight body weight here also, right? So so when you step back, you want to be aware of this point on the floor. So this leg will create a look. So the look is not only the posture in your beautiful arms, it's the foot, the finishing of your foot, of free leg. Yes, walk, walk, and give yourself time. Yeah, do one more. We have two of them. Tick. Give yourself time to get into the step and find which leg is important for you. And step back, back. So now for your balance, your power, your movement, your standing leg will be more important. But for the beautiful look, your free leg is more important because the free leg creates a look. Yes? Oh, yeah.